Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove items from your wishlist on the Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the shopping bag icon down below, which is the last option. Now click on the wishlist option, scroll down, tap on this icon that you can see in the middle of the screen in the right side corner. Now tap on see list, and all of the items that have been added to your wish list will appear to you in a second. Then tap on the relevant piece of clothing that you would like to remove from your wish list. Just simply tap on the picture, scroll down, and as you can see, there is a save icon next to the shopping bag icon. So if you would like to remove it from your list, all you have to do is clicking on this button, and now it has been removed from your list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.